Hi, Victor Delerme, CPA here. It's good to see you again. I'd like to share with you a story of an investor that relocated to Puerto Rico under Act 60. This particular investor had income and had business activity in the US, as well as has investment activities in Puerto Rico. Unfortunately for this investor, but the CPAs that he was working with before did not have a comprehensive understanding of the tax law in Puerto Rico and could not marry it to the tax law in the US. What we were able to do was we were able to take a look at the prior year returns and the prior year Act 60 documents, and we understood the tax decree that he had received, the investor decree, and then we understood the prior year tax returns and the returns that needed to be amended, right? And so then we had a strategy session with the investor, and then we identified some areas in which his tax returns in the U.S. needed to be amended, right? They needed to be corrected. They were not done properly. After the returns were amended, our client was able to receive, five figures worth of refunds, right? Which is a significant amount. So now, if you marry that to the fact that he's in Puerto Rico under Act 60, now he's benefiting from a 0% tax rate. So, what I'm trying to tell you here is that when you work with a firm like Delerme, like our group, we're able to understand the laws, the tax laws in Puerto Rico, as well as the tax laws in the US. We are CPAs in the US and we're CPAs in Puerto Rico. So, we're experts on both jurisdictions. So, we're able to advise you on matters that you already have in the US, as well as the new matters that you will be having in Puerto Rico as an investor have just relocated to Puerto Rico. And I really enjoy working with our clients, that have transitioned and moved to Puerto Rico. Oftentimes, we give them, recommendations on what are these some places they can take their family to. What are some of the beaches they can go to? What are some of the local experiences that they can have in Puerto Rico? It's very fulfilling that we get to consult with our clients. We are able to make sure that they're compliant with the tax law, but also at a personal level, we're able to tell them, as locals in Puerto Rico, what are some of the places I can go to have a good time and have fun. If you like to have more information about Act 16 Puerto Rico, and if you're a business owner or an investor and you're thinking about relocating to Puerto Rico, or if you're in Puerto Rico already and you're looking for to have a second look at your Act 60 documents or a second look to your tax returns in Puerto Rico or in the US, give us a call, put a comment here down below, and we'll be more than glad to give you and share with you a consultation. Again, my name is Victor Delerme. I'm a CPA, and we'll see you soon.